Hello, this is Rozana from KCOM Academy, and I'm here to talk to you about a program that we're going to be running at Radisson Hotel in Brunei on August the 21st and the 22nd. Over the years of training many participants, we realized that there is this one much needed skill that hasn't been taught, but is crucial for organizations that wants to create more collaboration, better teamwork, and really just transform the organization into one that is more effective and ultimately more successful. And this skill is about handling and navigating tough conversations. We've all had to give that negative feedback, right? Or have that conversation where we know the emotions are going to run very high and it could result in something disastrous. Or we've had to give performance reviews that were not too favorable. But what we tend to do in these situations is we either avoid it, we sugarcoat it, or we handle it really badly. So we've done extensive research into all the areas of conversations and how we can manage these conversations in such a way that we will get the outcome that we want to achieve. So in this program, you will learn how to have purposeful and meaningful conversations. You will learn how to manage emotions, your own and the people around you. And you will learn how to create a safe space for effective dialogue. So this program is making its debut in Brunei. This is the first time that we're running this program, and we're really excited to share it with you. So we look forward to seeing you on August the 21st and the 22nd at Radisson Hotel. Be there or be square. Take care.